Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my top 5 matte lipsticks which are my absolute favorites. They are highly pigmented, very long lasting. They last for 6 to 7 hours and they are very affordable as well as extremely matte. So let's just see what they are. The first one that comes up to my hand is this one. It is from Gala of London and I got it from the Nykaa website for just 175 rupees, and it is a liquid lipstick with a silver cap and a plastic bottle, and then you have to open it. This is how the wand looks like, and this is the shade. This is the exact shade, and this is 05 Twig. This is Gala of London, retailing for 175 rupees. From the Nykaa website you will get it. It is an extremely affordable liquid lipstick. It is it is same as the Sugar's liquid lipstick which have been launched recently. So if you're getting a liquid lipstick within 200 rupees, then what is the use of spending 500 and getting the expensive ones 500, 600, whatever is the price. So this is a very good one. It stays for 6 to 7 hours, but it just starts fading from the center if you've taken some oily food and all. And if you don't eat anything, it just stays on your lips for the whole day. You really have to use a makeup remover to get rid of it. So it's a very good one. It's one of my favorite, and I'm in the shade 05 Twig. The next one that comes up to my hand is from the brand called Lakme. It is Lakme Absolute Lip Pout Matte, and I'm in the shade Starlit Red, and it is 650 rupees for 3.7 grams, and I have been using it for the past 1 year now, and only this much of it is left. As you can see, this is the shade. It is a bit on the expensive side, but you can also get it at a discount online. So I'll just show you the swatch. This is a single swipe, and then you can build on the color. It is a beautiful red color. It is you can wear it like for functions, for marriages, for parties. It's awesome. It's very long lasting, highly pigmented. It lasts for 5 to 6 hours, and when it starts fading at the end of the day, there would be a beautiful tint of the lip of this lipstick on your lips. It just looks great. This is my favorite from the Lakme. My next favorite is again from Lakme. It is from the same brand, Lakme Absolute Lip Pout Matte. It is also 650 rupees for 3.7 grams, and you can get it at a huge discount from the Nykaa website. This is how the color looks like. It is a pink lipstick with too much of blue undertones to it, and this is the shade of it. This is a single swipe. You can see how pigmented it is. It is also very long lasting, and it is extremely matte, and you can build on the colors like this. You don't need to. A single swipe is enough to give you proper color. So this is my second favorite. This is my third favorite out of the 5, and I really love using them. The next one is a very affordable one. I got it from a local store. Not from a local store, I got it from New Market in Kolkata, and this is from the brand MEILIN. It's Maylene, and I'm in the shade 898. It is an orange lipstick. It is extremely matte. It is the most matte lips. It is equivalent to liquid lipsticks, so it is like very good. Like I showed you the Gala of London, and after that the next matte is this one. It is just for 150 rupees, and it is shade 898. This is a beautiful orange shade. I wear it during the daytime, and I'm wearing it right now. It is actually a mixture of this and this. These two shades I'm wearing right now. So it's a beautiful color. It is extremely pigmented, extremely matte, long lasting, affordable, and I just love this color. So this is my fourth favorite, and the last is another pink shade from the brand Sugar. This retails for 7.99, close to 800, and I'm in the shade Mary Poppins. It is a beautiful fuchsia pink color, and this is the shade of it. This is the swatch of it. You can see this is the magenta pink, and this is the fuchsia pink, and this is the magenta pink. This is orange, this is a red, and this is my maroonish red color, the Twig one. So this is the Mary Poppins. It retails for 7.99 or 800. It is also very pigmented, long lasting. It lasts for 5 to 6 hours, and it is very soft and creamy, and this is one of my favorite, and I'm really planning to get a few more shades from Sugar. So these are my top 5 favorite matte lipsticks. I use them every day like wherever I go out, depending upon the places I go. If I have to go to functions and some parties, I use the dark shades, and if I have to go to some formal place and all, I use this orange shade. So these are my favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, and please share it with your friends as much as you can, and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. And let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite shade out of all the 5, and if you have any favorite and if you want me to review any of them, please let me down in the comment section below. Till then, take care guys, bye bye, see you soon.